it's Lindsay from Wannabe KY Homesteaders. So today we cleaned out our chicken run a little bit. We added a lot of pelleted bedding. We've had bunches of rain, expected to get a lot more snow. So we want to get it as dry as possible, as well as we cleaned out inside the coop a little bit. We kind of do this every week. Normally we don't have to put down fresh bedding, but from where we've had so much rain, we want to go ahead and get that taken care of. Also, it's going to be bitterly cold again, so chickens don't always do great in super cold, especially if they have wet environment, then they can get frostbite and we don't want that. So also there has been bird flu going around. None of our chickens have had any symptoms or anything, so it's just kind of good practice to make sure everything's cleaned up and ready for the next week.